Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create drop-down list in Excel using the data validation. So let's start. Here is my Excel sheet. I have a table with the data, employee name and department column. Okay. I want to allow only the selected option like HR, marketing, finance and IT. Instead of typing this manually, I will create a drop-down list so user can simply choose one of these options from the list. This helps to avoid the spelling mistakes and keeps the data clean. So let's start how it's done. Okay. So first here you can see here I have a list available in vertical. So this list I'm going to convert first in horizontal with comma. So simply select the cell and use the is equal to, and here you can use the text join function. So I use here the text join. Okay. Then use here in double quote, comma, double quote. Again, I use here the comma. I select it true, ignore the empty cell. Okay, I select this true. Then I use the comma and select the range of data. I select this all list, bracket close and enter. And that's it. Here you can see. So this list it converted in horizontal with comma. So I just copy this and here use here the Control Alt V to paste special in values. So I select the values option and click on OK. Now I click on this list and here you can see the formula bar showing the list. I just select and press the Control C to copy this list. Okay. Now let's start to apply the data validation. Okay, simply select the range of cell and go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the data validation option. Just click on this drop down arrow, click on the first option, data validation. And here you can see the small dialog box is open, data validation. In settings tab, in validation criteria, in allow, click on this drop down arrow, and click on the list. And here in source, paste this list, Control V, and here you can see the department list is pasted. And click on OK, and that's it. Just click on this cell, click on this drop down arrow, and you can see HR, marketing, finance, IT. So list of department. You can just click on this arrow and select your department. Okay. If you enter here the different names, suppose I enter here ABC and enter. The Microsoft Excel, this value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. So it's showing the error if you enter something different. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.